Hey guys, LVR here. We're gonna jump back into our trailer series. Alright, we're here. As you can see, I made a few adjustments by making this possible. So yeah, look how smooth it is. Oh my goodness. For your information, all the pistons are over there. I use the controller just to I might use the other side, this side. Might not. Depends. This episode, we're gonna be upgrading it completely. Oh, and I didn't mention that I tuned up the suspension a bit. You see how I added those points? Well, not those points, but added that instead of it just up and down, you know? I changed it a bit. This is still going back over there. What? Yeah. I just changed the suspension so that looks more better. And the suspension is more stronger. And in today's episode, we're gonna be making a truck for it. Yes, I'm not lying. We're gonna be making a truck. Hold on. Anyway, time to make it. Sorry, I make it from before. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna make it way bigger than that. I was talking about the resolution in the last episode. I need smart. Okay. Now it's on smart. Now, yeah, I like it on smart because it's more easier to just put creations together without and you could stack it without on your lap. Or you could stack at least 3 creations earlier. What I learned is you could only stack 3 pieces on top of each other. Even more and you'll get lag, turns out. Okay? So, yeah, I'm gonna do all of this. As you can see, yeah, I'm gonna do all of this. It's odd too, so one thing good. I'm gonna put multiple logic under here and make it so it's accessible in this part. It's also gonna be a little living fortress, even though it's scrap mechanic. And I'm just making everything practically just out boxes because, yeah, I'm bad at building. What do you expect me to do when I'm bad at building? Oh, my phone. Hold on, my phone. Oh, okay. Anyway, there's the notification. Anyway, now I'm gonna be. I have to. See how I did that? That's pretty neat. By the way, I'm quietly building so I can just focus. You know? Oh my goodness, how that is perfect. See? Perfect. Hold on, let me find a certain piece. Nope. No. This is gonna be harder. I originally thought. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to find another half block. precise. Uh-huh. Wait a second, I don't have to. Wait. Come on. Stack. No, I just stuck the block. Yeah! Now I can find the bearing. Delete it. Put it on wood. Put that. Okay, well, hold. Now I could just jump up. Hold on to the bearing. That's a whole different piece other than this. Whole another piece, which is good. Now we can just, and then I could just copy and paste essentially. Then flip it. This is already done. Hold on. I need to make controllers. I'm gonna have 8 of them just in case. And then hook up one of them to that. Which will open it like that. The other way will just like that. Then 90 degrees. Okay. Accidentally delete something, I don't know. And then flip it. Bam! Enough space for the mechanic. Oh, I didn't think of that. Okay, hold on. Wait. Bam! How is that fast? It's my question. Perfect. Not so perfect. Install it right there. Is it odd if I do that? And bam! Oh, so clean. You can see the little sliver there, but it doesn't matter. It just looks clean. Look at that. Doesn't look like it rotates. It doesn't even look like it rotates at all. See? It just blends in so natural. Ah. Oh my goodness, I love that. Oh, it smells perfect. That's not perfect, but this is the most perfect thing I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm gonna add some, what, instead of that, instead of this, I'm gonna make it like, I'm gonna make it this like, this, bit of that, and then that. Wait. Two. Okay, that is perfect. Dang. oh, my mic is over there. Okay. Correct position. Oh, that just looks like a box. Whoa! Perfect. And then I could just do that. Actually, instead of that, I don't even need to do that. Just do raise that up like that. That. Actually, you know, yeah, like, what? I need to delete this whole section. Delete that. And then do that. Along with this. That will push right in the middle. I'll meet in the middle. Lock both ways, I believe. Let me check. Oh yeah, that will block it. And then I'm gonna have a sensor. I'm gonna have it going like that. This. Then a sensor. Instead of that, actually, I would like it like that. So when I activate the switch, bam. Oh wait, I'm gonna add 2 more pistons just to level out these. Like that. See? Perfect. Well, perfect enough to make it like stay good enough. This is good enough. Then I'm gonna add those on the edges. And then doing this for some decoration. Bam. Oh, when I walked on it, it messed it up. Wonder how it's gonna. Oh. I wonder how it's gonna act. Oh yeah, I forgot. In order to roll those together, I need that. However, just needs to be more like, you know, like bigger, like, you know what I'm saying, like this. I need to be like this, so it actually states. What the? Oh. First weld, and then do that. Then it'll push the thing in the center right there. Color mode will be white. It'll send, I will make it send a signal. Fudge, I did not account of that. Did not account that. First I'll link this up. And then I'll change that. Darn logic gate. There. That's good. And then start doing that. Oops. Actually, yeah. Bam, perfect. Oh my goodness, why is this so perfect? It has actual working ball, half ball physics. Okay, it works. Close it. Ah, it's perfect. Oh my goodness, I like it. Then this will. This will go to this, and this will go to this. Okay, that's going to be an AND gate, which it already is. I'm going to delete the switch. Add a new switch. For it's gonna be right here. Add some other switches and I'll have to use them. Oh yeah, I need it to be a track set. How did I grab the wrong thing the third time? Wait, now that's okay, now I have enough room to just go over. That's not symmetrical. Okay, that should be enough room. This is gonna be a passenger seat. This is gonna be a driver's seat. The reason I have a button is, you know how this happens? Well, to make that not happen, this will not be hooked up. Actually, these will not be hooked up into this, or this will not be hooked up into any of those pistons. And instead, the sensor will go to there, this will go to there, and this will go to there. This will be an XOR. Wait, no, a AND still. So be an XOR. So now, see how it's open? See how it's open? Close. And open. I don't want it alternating, so instead I'm gonna have how do I make it not alternate? I think having an AND gate instead. Nope. I'll just open it. I know how. Need another switch. Nuh-uh. Switch. So as long as those are like that, then this will be open. As long as these switches are off, one of them, then we'll, yeah, actually just see how it's open? Close, open. They both have to be open, or wait now. Well, yeah, both of the switches has to be on in order for it to lock in place. Then I'm gonna give this wheels. may be difficult. Because I'm working with limited space here. Excuse me. I'm not sneezing. It's gonna be different wheels, which is gonna be a off-road wheel. It's just gonna be small as heck. Actually, not right there, but instead right here. I'll deal with that later. Bam. This needs to be like this. Or else it will not function properly. Wrong thing. Whoops. Sorry if I sound upset. Because I'm just naturally upset. Like that. Yep. Two down. Bearing. One. Bearing. Steering. Okay, steering good. Ooh, back though. I'm just wondering how that even happens. Okay, like that. 1, 2, 3. Bearing, wheel. That. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the engines inside. Oh my goodness, I forgot to put the engine. I'll do an engine per wheel, 2 engines, and I'm just gonna do this for no extra reason, to make sure it's symmetrical. This one is gonna be for the front wheels. Oh yeah, I forgot. Hold on, I need to tune some suspension real quick. Oh, not so I'm not moving because I need to do that. I need to listen it in the back. Or not. Okay, I'm gonna make the new episode. So, yeah. Bye!